Let's clarify how to install a rear license plate on your Tesla Model Y. The Model Y features a recessed area on the rear bumper designed for standard U.S. license plates, measuring approximately 12.25 inches by 6.25 inches. The rear bumper has a recessed area specifically designed to accommodate the license plate without protruding, maintaining the vehicle's aerodynamic profile. This recessed area is sized for standard U.S. license plates, which are approximately 12.25 inches wide by 6.25 inches tall. The setup includes two mounting holes spaced 7 inches apart from center to center, conforming to DMV standards. These may be pre-drilled or require careful drilling if not present. Installation requires M6 or 1/4 20 screws, typically 1 to 2 inches long, along with plastic or rubber spacers that are 0.25 to zero point 0.5 inches thick to ensure the plate sits flush and prevents rattling. Together, these components ensure a secure and compliant installation that keeps the license plate visible and stable while maintaining the vehicle's design and functionality. First, locate the mounting holes on your Model Y's rear fascia. Most Model Ys come with two pre-drilled or factory-tapped holes spaced 7 inches apart, center to center. If your vehicle lacks these, use a template to carefully drill 1/4 inch diameter holes and 1/2 inch deep to avoid damaging the fascia. Tesla's updated service bulletins emphasize compliance with state regulations for license plate mounting. For installing the license plate on your Tesla Model Y, selecting the right screws and spacers is crucial for a secure and rattle-free fit. The standard screws for this installation are either M6 metric screws or 1/4 20 SAE screws, typically 1 to 2 inches long. These provide the proper fit for the mounting holes. Tesla's official kits include self-tapping screws, which create their own threads in the mounting holes for a secure fit without pre-tapping. Spacers are essential to prevent rattling and ensure the license plate sits flush against the fascia. Use nylon washers and spacers that are 0.25 to 0.5 inches thick. These spacers are typically made of plastic or rubber for weatherproofing, helping maintain a stable installation in various conditions. First, clean the mounting area on the rear fascia thoroughly. Remove any dirt, debris, or residue using a soft cloth and mild soap solution to ensure a secure fit and prevent damage to the surface. Next, align the license plate frame with the mounting holes on the fascia. Position the frame so that the license plate sits flush and centered within the recessed area, ensuring the holes align perfectly. Now secure the frame using the appropriate screws. Use M6 or 1/4 20 screws that are 1 to 2 inches long, along with nylon washers and spacers to prevent rattling and ensure stability. Tighten using a screwdriver and torque wrench set to 5/8 foot-pounds to avoid cracking the fascia. For enhanced longevity, apply thread-locking compound to the screw threads before installation. This prevents loosening due to vibration and ensures a secure, long-lasting connection. Finally, test the installation for stability. Gently shake the frame to ensure it doesn't rattle or move. Check that the license plate is securely held in place and properly illuminated if applicable. One common issue is over-tightening screws, which can crack the rear fascia of your Tesla Model Y. Always use a torque wrench set to 5 to 8 foot-pounds to prevent damage. Here you can see the difference between properly driven screws and common mistakes like misalignment, overdriving, or underdriving. Using spacers is crucial to prevent vibrations and ensure the license plate doesn't interfere with backup sensors. This is especially important when using illuminated plate frames. This illuminated frame requires proper spacing to avoid sensor issues. Improper drilling can lead to water ingress, causing fascia warping. A 2023 recall case in Florida highlighted this issue with humid climates. This shows the mounting area where proper installation prevents such issues. Tesla provides official kits that make license plate installation straightforward and reliable. These kits include pre-drilled frames and all necessary hardware, ensuring proper alignment with the Model Y's rear fascia. Several aftermarket options offer additional features and customization. Companies like Plate Holders provide Tesla-approved accessories with heavy-duty metal frames that resist UV and water damage. Owners have successfully installed custom illuminated plate frames with LED strips. These frames add safety through enhanced visibility while maintaining proper clearance for the vehicle's backup sensors. The future may shift towards digital license plates, as states like California and New York experiment with e-plates. These experiments allow vehicles to display electronic license plates that can be updated remotely. Autonomous vehicles and smart infrastructure could integrate camera-based plate recognition, potentially reducing the need for physical installations. However, physical plates remain dominant for legal reasons, as many jurisdictions still require visible physical identification. Experts predict a hybrid model where physical plates coexist with digital backups for enhanced functionality and compliance. ASE-certified mechanics emphasize that installing a license plate on the Tesla Model Y is simpler than on traditional cars, thanks to pre-molded holes that reduce installation errors by up to 50%. However, improper installation can void your vehicle's warranty or even trigger costly recalls. Always follow Tesla's official guidelines to avoid these pitfalls. Experts recommend using Tesla's official OEM parts for the best compatibility and long-term reliability. Statistics indicate that 70% of installation problems stem from user errors, such as skipping spacers. Skipping spacers can cause rattling, misalignment, or even damage to the vehicle's fascia. For enhanced safety, consider aftermarket kits that include built-in reflectors. These can improve visibility in low-light conditions and may help reduce accident risks.